Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use time stop movement in Out full guide. Begin by setting a clear anchor point and binding the time stop to a single limb to prevent global freeze for safety. Calibrate duration to short bursts and practice smooth releases to avoid jerky motion. Work with a partner to monitor timing and record sessions to review adjustments and improve consistency. Start by selecting your control interface and dialing duration in small increments to build consistency. Balance intensity with the limb's natural momentum so releases feel organic rather than abrupt. Use saved presets for common scenarios to avoid repeated setup and to compare outcomes easily. Always run a quick warm-up and safety check before engaging time stop sequences to reduce risk and improve performance across attempts. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more guides. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is perfect for reviewing notes or theory between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on transition drills that combine short stops with immediate re-engagement to teach the body predictable timing cues. Incorporate visual anchors and auditory metronomes to help reorient quickly after each stop and resume. Increase complexity gradually, layering one additional element at a time to maintain control. Review recordings, note frame-accurate timing, and iterate on presets to make the movement feel effortless and intentional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.